Yo, what if I told you this van isn't just a ride, it's a full-on rolling flex? I'm talking leather, tech, power, and comfort all wrapped into one clean-looking beast that can cruise cross-country without breaking a sweat. This isn't your average van you see hauling gear or kids to practice. Nah, this thing is straight-up luxury on wheels. Welcome back to our channel, and today we're diving deep into the 2026 Chevrolet Luxury Van. A machine that's built for people who want comfort, class, and a little bit of swagger wherever the road takes them. Let's start with the exterior, because first impressions matter. And Chevy absolutely understood the assignment here. The 2026 Chevrolet Luxury Van rocks a bold, confident stance that looks planted and purposeful. The front end comes in hot with a redesigned grille that's wide, clean, and modern, paired with sleek LED headlights that give it that sharp, upscale vibe. It doesn't scream for attention, but it definitely turns heads. The body lines are smooth and refined, not boxy or outdated. And the paint finishes look deep and glossy, especially in darker colors. Chrome accents are tastefully done, not over the top, just enough to say, yeah, this is premium. Rolling on large alloy wheels, the van sits high enough to look powerful while still keeping that luxury cruiser feel. Whether it's pulling up to a hotel valet or sitting outside a corporate office, this thing looks right at home. Now step inside, and this is where the Chevrolet Luxury Van really starts cooking. The cabin feels less like a van and more like a high-end lounge on wheels. You're greeted with plush leather seats that are thick, soft, and built for long hauls. These aren't seats you rush to get out of. They're the kind you sink into and think, yeah, I could be here for a while. The layout is wide and open, giving everyone plenty of personal space. Ambient lighting runs through the interior, setting the mood whether it's daytime cruising or late-night highway runs. The dashboard is clean and modern, featuring a large infotainment screen that's crisp, fast, and super easy to use. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, so your music, maps, and calls are always locked in. The sound system absolutely slaps, delivering deep bass and clear highs. Perfect for blasting your favorite tracks or chilling with some podcasts on a long drive. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and power outlets mean nobody's fighting over battery life. Everything inside feels solid, premium, and well thought out. From the soft-touched materials to the real stitching on the seats and panels. Move further back, and the passenger area is straight-up VIP territory. The seating is designed for comfort first, with captain-style chairs that recline, slide, and offer tons of legroom. This van is perfect for road trips, business travel, or just cruising with friends in total comfort. There's enough space to stretch out, relax, and actually enjoy the ride. Storage is handled smartly too, with hidden compartments and generous cargo space in the back, making it easy to pack luggage, gear, or whatever life throws at you. Now, let's talk performance, because looks and comfort don't mean much if it drives like a brick. Under the hood, the 2026 Chevrolet Luxury Van comes with a strong and reliable engine lineup. Most commonly, a V8 that delivers smooth, confident power. This van moves way better than you'd expect for its size. Acceleration is solid, merging onto highways feels effortless, and cruising at speed is calm and composed. The transmission shifts clean and smooth, keeping the ride relaxed instead of jerky. The suspension setup is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps and rough roads like a champ. You barely feel potholes, cracked pavement, or uneven surfaces, which makes long trips way less tiring. Steering is surprisingly responsive, and for a full-size luxury van, it handles itself pretty well in tight spots. Chevy also loaded this thing with modern safety tech, including adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, so you're riding with confidence every mile. Fuel economy isn't sportscar efficient, obviously, but for a luxury van with this much power and space, it's respectable. Plus, let's be real, if you're shopping in this category, comfort and capability matter more than squeezing out every last mile per gallon. Now, let's talk money. Because luxury always comes with a price tag, the 2026 Chevrolet Luxury Van starts around the mid-$60,000 range, depending on trim and options. Loaded up with premium packages, upgraded tech, and luxury seating, and you can see prices climb into the $70,000 or even $80,000 zone. But here's the thing, for what you're getting, the value is solid. You're getting a versatile vehicle that works as a luxury cruiser, a business shuttle, a family road trip monster, and a mobile chill zone, all in one. Compared to luxury SUVs or custom vans, this Chevy holds its own without feeling overpriced. So who is this van really for? It's for people who want space without giving up style, comfort without sacrificing power, and a vehicle that can handle just about any situation. Whether you're a business owner, a road trip addict, or someone who just wants to roll in comfort, the 2026 Chevrolet Luxury Van delivers the goods. And that's the full rundown, folks. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more clean no nonsense reviews like this, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a drop. This has been Saint Reviews Hub, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay cruising, stay classy, and I'm out.